It's the 23rd of August and I thought I'd do a little update on how some of our garden crops are going. So these are the beans that we planted, and you can pretty much see that every single one of them seems to have been stripped bare. This year they all seem to get eaten by slugs or snails or something. But we do have one bean sort of pod left, which we didn't pick. We didn't get very many actually. Might save that one to get some seeds for plants next year. And because I used homemade compost, it had some tomato seeds in it, and there was a tomato seed which has sprouted. So this is a tomato plant. That's our strawberries, which are still in the pots from where we picked them out from the old allotment. And these are some tomatoes which I never got around to potting on from their kind of medium-sized pots or putting stakes on, so they haven't really done that well. They haven't really been in the light much either, but there are a few. In fact, there's one there going kind of orange, so there are some tomatoes on those. But this is our main tomato area. These ones again I didn't really pot on from their small pots, so I'm having trouble keeping them watered. But they are producing a few tomatoes, and there's one down there that's red. But these I've potted on into bigger pots, and they are producing tomatoes. Those are some which haven't gone red yet. Down the bottom there you can see some red ones, and on these there are now quite a few red ones coming. That one there, there's one there that's obviously been eaten by something as well. But they are starting to produce proper tomatoes. So I'm going to harvest a few of those now. I was going to harvest a whole load, but we've decided we're going to have Chinese tonight, so I won't take too many in case they go kind of manky before we get around to eating them, because they do better leaving them on the plant. Well, there we go. That's my crop harvest for today. I only picked up the reddish ones and also the ones that are starting to split, which is a bit of a shame, so I might have to eat those first. And I left a couple on the ground which have been eaten already, so that some other things can come and eat them. But there we go, that's today's tomato harvest.